My name is Tribble Reese, and my experience with Dr. Nick at Somatic Physical Therapy has been second to none. I'm a former athlete. I played football in college. I've had all kinds of injuries. Right now, what I've really been dealing with is some tightness up in my shoulder region and back in the traps. Coming to Dr. Nick was the best decision for my whole wellness, for my whole recovery, and for releasing this tightening. I've dealt with a lot of doctors throughout my years, playing sports, but this was kind of the best interaction that I had. Dr. Nick is the best in the business. I was having this nagging kind of bicep injury. I would notice when I would do pull-ups, and I actually had a competition that I was trying to prepare for, and I wanted to be as healthy as possible for it. And when I came to see him, we thought this was where I was experiencing all the pain, but what we realized was this was just a side effect of a deeper root cause. And I would have never known that unless I would have talked to, unless he would have kind of snuffed out where the root cause was. And it, in fact, was not my bicep, but it was actually tension that was occurring back here. And he was able to see that through looking at me, through feeling around, like the way that he's able to kind of feel the human body and diagnose, oh, it's actually, I see why your bicep's hurting, because the lat, where the lat meets the trapezoid meets the bicep, I mean, his terminology, he can really walk you through. In the end, allowed me to be pain-free. The difference between Dr. Nick and other physical therapists that I've seen is that he walks you through everything that he sees going on. I mean, he diagnoses it and asks questions, and there's really an interaction between, the doctor and the patient that I'm able, that he's able to find out more. And then as he diagnoses and as he gets to the root of the problem, he explains what he's doing more than anybody else. I mean, his knowledge of the human body is incredible, and him explaining what he's doing and making you feel comfortable throughout the process is why I would absolutely recommend him.